So look, I had to come outside and act like I was checking the mail, but I mean, I really had to check the mail. Got the mail. Anyway, so look. So I'm about to prank Mels. What the fuck is it called? I'm sorry. Excuse my language. You know how... Well, I think it's a trend on fucking TikTok, and how you ask somebody to crack your back, but you like have a little pasta shit in your mouth, and you know she gonna think she probably broke something on me. So, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what she about to do, her reaction and everything. So stay tuned. Let's get this bitch.
6 essential ingredients, like safer for your family.
Where can you stock up on all essential face masks? DiscountMugs.com is your source for all your non-medical face mask needs. With over 1 million masks and supplies in stock for business or personal use, we've got you covered. Elastic, athletic, unapologetic, disposable, reusable. Need custom printing? We do that too. Prices as low as 47 cents each and ready to ship. Visit DiscountMugs.com, your headquarters for safe return to work. That's DiscountMugs.com.
Best-selling author Anne Rule comes to movie premieres. Sleeping with Danger, A Murder to Remember, starting Saturday, August 1st at 8, only on Lifetime.
Yeah, it's Michael. Hey, buddy. Not responding to my emails or texts. I need you today. Call me. And I better not hear you're hungover. Got that? Call me. Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm sorry, man. Please, sit. Sorry. You remember Garrett when you met at the party?
Yeah, that guy.
I can't get in touch with him and just...
Oh, come on. He's young. Well, he's irresponsible. Just like I assumed we were.
Yes, but not on my dime. Anyway, so, what you got for me, huh?
So listen, I didn't dig too deep, but I did what you asked me to, and you know, I'm happy to say it's everything she said it was going to be. So, see, it's Bree Hogan, adopted in the state of California in 1996. She graduated from Judd Elementary, went to Memorial High School, and attended Wesleyan College. So,
That's it?
oh, I'm sorry, no. Apparently, she's also a cannibal with multiple personalities. So, there's that. I mean, what do you think I was going to find here?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, listen, this corroborates everything she said. All right? Unless you have other suspicions, you have a good reason for them, man. You gotta let it go.
Yeah, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Listen to me. I did this as your friend, but as your lawyer, you need to get back to work. You forget about all this stuff. All right? It's fine. Trust me.
A lawyer that says trust me.
Okay, come on. I gotta go.
Thank you. Sorry for listening to you.
It's okay. You owe me a drink.
I owe you one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. How ridiculous. So, I know she only posted that to embarrass me, right? And of course she denied it and took it down, but Tristan had already seen it. Of course. She's sick. You should probably be careful. Yeah, it's just really messed up. Look. I don't want to sound like that annoying older sister, but you should probably watch what you post on social media. I mean, I have friends who lost jobs because their employer saw some embarrassing photo of them online. I mean, don't get paranoid. Just be smart. So, tell me, what's it like? Is your sister upset that you're spending so much time here? We don't have to talk about it if you don't want to. No, it's okay. It's just, to be honest, we were never really that close. Actually, it was quite the opposite. My sister always had it harder than me. I mean, my parents, they wanted to make sure that because I was adopted, I never felt different. So they wanted me to feel like I was just as much their kid.
Hydro Soap with hypoallergenic serum. For the smooth shave, we all...
Hey, Mel, can you crack my back for me, please?
Here's the very model of a barbecue family meal. Appeasing every preference is tough, so we know how you feel. Nobody's ingredients are quite as simple, clean, and real. Lightlife is the model of a barbecue family meal. Lightlife, ingredients
Are you okay,
the
man?
taste you love. We believe in the power of real. Real can start a conversation and turn half a sandwich into a whole lot of love. Unlike pasteurized processed cheese food, Sargento slices are 100% real natural cheese.
Sargento. We're real cheese people.
Want your brain better? Unlike ordinary memory supplements, Nariva has clinically proven ingredients that fuel 5 indicators of brain performance: memory, focus, accuracy, learning, and concentration. Try our new gummies for 30 days and see the difference.
So I had something that I wanted to discuss with everyone.
Like what?
Okay, so you know the third room, the guest room that nobody ever uses? Well, what do you think about turning that into a room for Bree?
No, don't do it.
Have you mentioned this to Bree yet?
No, of course not. I wanted us all to discuss it first. But, I mean, frankly, I thought you'd be a little more excited. Sky? Honey, I thought you'd be thrilled.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
What was Grandma's name again?
Eleanor? Why? What made you ask me about her? Did Bree say something to you?
She didn't. I mean, she didn't tell me anything about them.
So, what about the room?
Not yet, Mom. Okay?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm not the one in this family who's completely lost it.
Hey, come on, just cut her a break.
Cut her a break.
Look, you know, I like Brie. I like having her
But she's
around.
saying
She's
something
cool.
on her.
I just don't understand why we have to pretend like all of a sudden she's a part of this family when she's obviously not.
I know that. But just try to understand how your mother feels. This is very emotional for her. And I realized that you didn't know about any of this. And what happened all those years ago, you gave up the baby. It was extremely hard on her.
Yeah.
I just want you to know, if you ever want to talk, I'm here for you.
Okay. Thank you, Dad.
Love you.
Love you too.
Two 2,000 years later.
You know how to do it, right? Like bear hug? Yeah. Well, you can do it this way. Oh shit, my shit already locking up on me. Okay. Oh my, I'm sorry. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Go. Oh my god! Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you okay? Oh my god! Oh, you okay? You okay? You okay? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought you okay? Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! I'm fine. Mouse. Oh my god! You guys, Mother, you okay?
I'm Skylar.
Have you seen that break yet? No. Say Team ISIS. Say Team ISIS. Go. Go. What the fuck? Mills, say Team ISIS. Whatever, fuck you. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I got Mills really good. Oh my gosh. She was about for so fucking long. This video is 18 fucking minutes already. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. But that wasn't a long prank. It was a short prank. But I'm gonna be doing more pranks on this bitch. So for sure, stay tuned.
I don't even care.
For sure, stay tuned.
I thought I done. I thought I done.
You thought you fucked me up?
I thought I done broke your motherfucking back. I'm like, damn.
I'm dead. I'm dead,
Your
y'all.
ass fucking laughing. I'm like, what are you laughing about?
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Some serious
That was a good
shit.
prank. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Leave some comments down below. Follow us on Instagram at I am Pretty Gal Poetic, and hers is _
Bless me, I'm sorry. Naybear. _ Naybear.
And we'll see you on the next video. Gang.